Meet John, a man just like any of us, mired in the monotony of daily life, feeling stuck and yearning for change. One day, he stumbles upon a concept so powerful that it reinvigorates him, reignites the dying embers of his desire to grow. He embarks upon a daring journey of self improvement, the 30-day challenge. Over the course of the next month, we follow John's voyage through struggles and triumphs as small, gradual changes start shaping who he becomes. We see the power of persistence as he stumbles yet perseveres, with every passing day transforming him from within. There are moments of elation shadowed by self doubt, and yet undeterred, John continues. Each failure becomes a stepping stone, every challenge an opportunity for growth. On day 30, John stands tall, not a new man, but a better version of his old self. Changed, evolved, and brimming with an invincible self confidence, this is John's tale, a testament to the power of steadfast resolve.